Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the sounds and vibration option, and once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the option called ringtone, and once you find it, select it. And right here we can scroll through the list of ringtones we can select from. It's quite few, as you can see. So find the ringtone you are interested in and then tap on it to listen to it. And you can go through the list of ringtones and look for something you like. And once you select the ringtone you like, make sure it's selected, and then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the ringtone on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.